Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Alexis. I am going to do another shop my stash type of dealio, but today I'm going to be playing with my Revolution Pro Trends Azure palette. So this is what it looks like. Get it, there we go. This is what it looks like. It's a really pretty palette. I saw it and I was just immediately drawn to like these marbled colors that were just so stunning. I mean, they are stunning in person as well, but that's what really drew me to these to this specific palette. If I can get my words around my mouth, I'm having a hard time today. Yeah, I'm having a rough time. I'm getting too sucked into what's happening in the world today, and it's just really fucking depressing me. So I thought one of the things that gets me out of my funk is to actually like do something creative and play with some makeup. So I thought I'd try and do like a really dramatic eye a la Christiana James here on YouTube. I've been watching a few of her little tutorials on Instagram just to kind of see how she does her applications and stuff like that. So she always uses her p.louise eyeshadow base. So instead of using my MAC base today, I'm going to be using the p.louise eyeshadow base. And just seeing how I go with that little base again. I know I said it wasn't one of my all-time favorite things to use, but I'm going to give it a red hot go again. She uses it in all her videos, and she gets amazing quality that come out of her looks. So yeah, again, not going to be talking in this video. Not feeling 100%. My head's really pounding right now. I just want to do something to get me out of this funk. So I saw that Kevin Smith put online that he's got some Jay and Silent Bob stuff on Amazon Prime. So I'm kind of excited about that because I'm a huge Kevin Smith fan, have been for years now. I don't want to say 20 years, but probably close to that. So anyway, if you are interested in seeing me come up with a very dramatic, interesting look inspired by the way Chris does her makeup, then keep watching. Alright guys. Oh my god, I don't know why I just screamed that. This is my final look. This is a hell of a lot more dramatic than I think I've done ever on my channel. Maybe not ever, but you know, it's pretty flippin' dramatic. The one color that I didn't like, if I have to be perfectly honest, is the color New Planet. It's the marbled blue one here. It's not this one. God bless it, America. This one here, it's not my favorite. It didn't really pack a lot of punch to it. I mean, was I able to do something with it? Sure, but it's not anything to write home about. It's pretty bloody sheer. So, I mean, that's my only, like, major gripe about it. I managed to do a winged liner, which I have had many a problem with trying to do, but I managed to do one, so I'm pretty stoked about that. So I'm pretty excited about the way this has turned out. I am gonna take some pictures and then I'm gonna take this off. I'm not really sure. I mean, I like it. It's just, it's a step outside of my comfort zone. So I'm still feeling like crap. My head is pounding still, so I might actually take something for it. But yeah, other than that, it's midnight. I'm probably gonna wash this off and just go to bed. I was thinking about doing a second look, but I wasn't sure if I was gonna do it. I still might if my head doesn't calm down, because I won't be able to sleep with it like this. So, if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you know every time I upload a new video, and I will see you soon. Bye.